Hey guys, so I did a video. I don't want to completely show you my nails and give it all away, but I will show you this color. So I did a really pretty bright purple, and I did a glitter one, and the ring finger is going to be special, so you have to watch the video to see it. I did something pretty different. I will tell you it's a flower, which I usually don't paint flowers on myself. They are slightly difficult to do on yourself, but I did want to post a video of something cool for you guys. So watch the video. I hope you enjoy and let me know what you think. Thanks. All right, so here are the finished product. So so this one right here, I actually painted with my right. And this one I actually painted with my left hand, which it's actually kind of funny. I sort of like the one I painted with my left hand a little better. um, I'm not sure why. I just really seem to like that one a little bit better. But I mean, they both came out like fine. You know, I usually don't paint flowers on myself because they are a little bit difficult to paint on yourself. But yeah, I kind of like the flower on this one better than I did with my left hand. Okay. But yeah, there is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be posting again shortly.